Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create affiliate links and earn money by promoting products or services that you love. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to make money online without creating your own products or dealing with customers. All you need is a platform where you can share your affiliate links with your audience. An affiliate link is a special URL that contains your unique affiliate ID or username. When someone clicks on your link and buys something from the merchant's site, you get a commission. For example, let's say you're an affiliate for Shopify, an e-commerce platform that lets you create your own online store. You can find your affiliate link by logging into your Shopify account and go into the Affiliate Tools section. There, you can paste any URL from Shopify's site and generate an affiliate.now. You can use this link to promote Shopify on your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media and earn commissions for every new customer that signs up through your link. But how do you create affiliate links for other products or services? Well, there are two ways: join an affiliate program or use an affiliate network. An affiliate program is a direct partnership between you and the merchant. You have to apply and get approved before you can start promoting their products or services. Some popular affiliate programs are Amazon Associates, Bluehost, and ConvertKit. An affiliate network is a platform that connects you with multiple merchants and offers in one place. You don't have to apply to each program individually. Instead, you sign up for the network and get access to thousands of products or services that you can promote. Some popular affiliate networks are SureSale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. To create affiliate links using an affiliate program or network, you have to log into your account and find the product or service that you want to promote. Then, you have to copy the affiliate link that they provide and paste it on your platform. Creating affiliate links is easy. You just need to find the right products or services for your niche and audience, join their affiliate programs or networks, and generate your unique links. But remember to always disclose that you're using affiliate links and that you may earn commissions if someone buys through them. This is not only required by law in some countries, but also helps build trust with your audience. Also, always provide value and honest reviews of the products or services that you're promoting. Don't just spam your links without explaining why you recommend them or how they can help your audience. And finally, always test your links and make sure that they work properly. You don't want to lose commissions because of broken links or send your audience to pages that don't exist. You can use tools like Easy Affiliate or Affiliate App to create, manage, and track your affiliate links on your WordPress site. So that's how you create affiliate links and start making money by promoting products or services that you love. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe to help me create more great content for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!